Thank you very much, guys. Guys, kalma lang, guys, ha. Baka maban tayo, guys. Thank you, both dog. Delikado na kasi sabi ko ngayon, guys. Okay. Wow, thank you, miss. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. Okay. Kaga, hindi. Mawagan tayo. Lalo pag madilim. Okay na yan, miss. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ako talaga niniwala. Gusto ko safe ako, guys. Ayoko yung nagka-take risk ako tapos ang konti na naman ng gift na sinasend ko. Ayoko yung mag-live.
Pwede mo po yung nato. Sabi nga, dapat na. Paano doon pa? Paano yun?
Po talaga. Anyway, thank you, miss. Wala kasi ako sa bahay, guys. Hindi ko to ba? Hindi namin to bahay. Next time, pag nasa bahay na ako, I think basta. Kaya, always support my life, guys. Okay. Sige na tulog. Welcome, Ash. I'm trying. I'm just scared, guys, you know.
Are you alright?
Guys, alam nyo guys, hindi ko kayo mapipm isa-isa. You know. Lalo na I'm not active naman always sa TV. Go lang.
Good job. Sis, bang?
Sure, kapag nakita ko. Thank you po. Thank you po, guys. Gusto ko yung sunod-sunod yun.